Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can set face lock on our mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first I'm just going to remove my lock. Okay, I have set from before only screen lock, so just scroll on the down and here you have to click on password and biometrics. Then from here you can see here is the disable lock screen password. I just click on disable. Okay, and confirm my password. Okay, here my screen lock will be removed successfully. And if you want to set face lock, then friends, here you can see again you just move on biometric and password, and here you can see face recognition option. So friends, just tap on face recognition, and from here you can set your screen lock and you have to select your screen lock. You can even change your screen lock method. Here is the change a lock method. You can change a 4-digit pin, custom pin, pattern and password. So I just select here the pattern. Okay, and after that I draw my pattern lock. Then I have to redraw my pattern lock the same, okay, 2 times. Okay, you have to repeat the draw. Then click on done, and after that here your face scan will enable. Okay, it says enable rest to wake. There should be light, no wear mask, no spectacle. Okay, just tap on get started. Click on get started. So friends, here you can see I have completed my face lock. When you click on just started, and you can set your face lock like this easily as I said. Okay, so friends, this is how you can set your face lock. And friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.